this video, I'm just gonna pretend I look like the girl. I look like Cameron. And you guys know what this video is about. Blah blah blah. How about a round of applause? Standing ovation. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. You look so dumb right now. Standing outside my house, trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry. Please, just cut it out. Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Maybe 'cause I know you're only sorry you got caught. But you put on quite a show. Ooh, really had me going. But now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining. But it's over now. But it's over. Go on and take over. And the hang on. And here is the world go for the best. The light goes to you for making me believe that you could be faithful to me. Let's hear your speech. Oh, how about a round of applause? Standing ovation. Okay, guys, let me continue with the story.